Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about the trades that I had earlier today on Apple, Affirm, and QQQ, along with the technology strengthness. We took advantage of these positions today. In this video, I make over 200% on the Apple position and the QQQ and Affirm positions. On top of that, a cumulative of 366% on the open positions that were there. In other words, 366% on just 2 to 7% of the portfolio being risked. So we didn't earn that 366% on the whole portfolio, but we did earn that on the amount risked. By that definition, our callouts in our community have netted over 780% in the last 5 trading days. So just trying to make some content around the trades that we're making after the fact, of course, because members are able to watch live in the Discord server. If you want to look at more details of those trades, I actually have a link in my bio with my Instagram, and then also a spreadsheet that you can track all of our trades for free. That's open to the public, so you can go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, you guys, let's jump into the trades. So we had, obviously we're in a strong downtrend on Affirm, on QQQ and Apple. We just had a pullback to the 55 EMA on Apple, 21 EMA on Affirm, and the 55 EMA on QQQ.
So it doesn't look like it's going to reverse on us like very quickly, which is kind of the point of entry here.
There goes Apple.
Looks like Apple's about to drop. Volatility's picking up. Love it.
Looks like QQQ and Spire about to take a tumble.
Affirm's got that resistance above it at like just a shit ton of resistance right now. I'm happy with the trade.
Gotta love it. Up 71%. Sorry, scratch that. 80%. I love making money on puts, bro. It's gotta be one of the best feelings in the world. For real. I should have taken shorter dated puts on Affirm, but it is what it is. UVXY spiking. Just broke out. Let's go! And I sold my Affirm, all my Affirm shares like long ago. So just waiting for this fucker to get some accumulation. I'll start buying more shares again. 160 fucking %. Give me 200. I gotta sell. That's 200%. 195. Come on, get that 200%. Let's go. Affirm is slaughtered. Holding. QQQ holding for now. I'm holding everything for now. Let's see where this goes. Come on. Buy is continuing. Apple might do the same here, but it looks Apple's got more of a chance of reversing here, in my opinion. Q looks excessively weak. About to break down more. Affirm looks weak as shit. Q's looking weak as shit. Apple actually looking like it might hold itself here. Alright, so Q's are gone. Apple's gone. Wait, hold on. Is Q gone? No, it's not. Okay, sold. Q's are done. Affirm up 20%. Might go ahead and take my 20% on Affirm too. Yeah, I'm holding Affirm actually. Okay, Affirm about to break the fuck down again and loving it. Apple could go either way. Definitely a little more bearish on Apple, but I'm happy with my 220%.
Yeah, I think we might get a reversal here on the market, but that being said, like, I don't know, it could really go either way.
But market's down bad. Q's are down 2.6%. Affirm's down almost 14%. Apple's down 4%.
Let's see, SPY. I would say you have like a whole dollar above you of resistance. If that dollar breaks, like that whole dollar value breaks, we go above like 467, 467.50. You know, that's where you want to start considering your exit. Like you want to say like, hey, okay, pull back to here. Now I'm going to recalculate where my new price targets are based on my Fibonacci extensions. And I'm also going to like just monitor to see if bulls are going to come in and like start scooping up the price. And really the way I look at it is just like, if you look at a chart, you can kind of tell like enthusiasm, you know? You can see enthusiasm in the buyers because you'll see like longer wicks, or you'll see longer bodies like that'll actually pierce through resistance. If you look at Apple here, like it looks really bearish still because there's not been a solid body close above this resistance level, this Fibonacci extension that I drew in earlier. It's acting as resistance now. It actually corresponds with my 14 period ATR. And so I know obviously that's a strong resistance.
I think Apple has potential to continue its descent. If you look at the Q, I mean, it has this kind of the same story, except for this is on the EMA. And actually, if you look at Apple, it's got the EMA too. It's got 3 different resistance levels that are showing me. And then I've got a candle that's forming that's like, you know, got a longer tail. It's about to turn red, and it's about to basically point down in my, like, the way I see it. Affirm right now is breaking. I think you could have definitely held just a little longer. You had, if you look at my chart, you had all of this resistance kind of built in. So, but that's okay. Profit's profit. I'm just letting you know. Look at Affirm on this chart. You know, as you have successful trades, you don't want to size up, that's for sure. Keep it consistent or size down after you take some big wins, you know, because it's like the hot hand fallacy. Like, you're not going to win forever. Nobody ever does. Like, you'll see, I'll lose trades and I'll cut them really early at 10-15%. It's just a part of trading. The Apple's about to break down again. I mean, I still don't necessarily like it. Like, if you look at SPY is way weaker than technology alone right now, just from the price action that's forming. Considering closing this Affirm put position, it still has this resistance built in at the $95 that it's kind of testing here. When there's these big days, like where there's a lot of selling, you have to retarget, you know? You have to, like, you can't just use the same Fibonacci extension price levels like the whole day. You can, I mean, and it'd still be kind of effective, but you know, when you have big drops like we've just seen several times on Q, you have to adjust, because your price targets have already been hit, you know? I want to close it because I just kind of don't care about it anymore. All right, so you guys, as you saw in that video, we made about 200% risk managing out of that position. It was about 15 minutes of time between me calling that out for the community and us exiting the trade on Apple, and we did hold the other positions for a little bit longer. So we did end up with that 366% on the day on the open positions for our trade call out, so it was a great day. In the top left corner of this video, you're gonna find the video of me explaining my Fibonacci extensions and retracements on this same exact trade. I just thought I'd split them into 2 for your guys' sake and just to be more clear about the 2 different kind of videos. So without further ado, you guys have a great rest of your day or your night, and we'll see you guys in the next video.